If you're craving some chatpata food, our Achari Baingan is here for you. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vandevi hing. We need to make a pickle masala. For that, we've got dried red chillies, pepper powder, Kalonji, Kasuri Methi, Jeera, Coriander or dhana, mustard seeds or rye, and Saunf. This is all going to be dry roasted and then powdered. We will roast this until it's nice and aromatic. In a pan, I'm heating some oil, and to this I'm going to add my brinjal, which I've just slit into 4 to cook. You can even cut the brinjal into half or quarters, or even chop it up, however you like. This basically needs to cook the brinjal. My brinjal is semi-cooked. To this I'm going to just add in a little salt, and then I will remove the brinjal from the pan and keep it aside. In the same oil, I'm going to add in bay leaf, cinnamon, elaichi or cardamom, and jeera. A pinch of Vandevi hing. Next goes in my onions and ginger and garlic paste. We saute the onions until they are brown. Next, we add in the tomatoes and cook until soft. My tomatoes are cooked. I'm going to remove all the full masalas and grind this into a paste. After grinding into a paste, I'm going to add in the dry roasted pickle masala, which we had ground into a powder, red chilli powder, and a little haldi. To this, I'm going to add in some water and my ready brinjal, and let this simmer for 10 minutes. This is served garnished with fresh coriander leaves and some Kasuri Methi.